Good morning, folks. Dominoes Seven here. Okay, on this Facebook Live, just finished doing YouTube Live, and I'll probably upload this to YouTube as well. Okay, genius. Okay, all right, chilling out here, having a little fun. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. A beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Would you be my neighbor? All right. Yes, indeed. I'm not Mr. Rogers as I said in my YouTube thing, you know. So, I mean, this is not Mr. Rogers' neighborhood, okay? All right. So, all right, let me show y'all the sun. All right. It's a beautiful day, huh, y'all? Yes, indeed. Okay. Look at the sun. All right. Beautiful day. Is it me or is it cool out here? You know, come on in. All right. It was a neighbor, but I ain't. But I ain't put my name on. Well, actually, somebody that's a passerby. Okay. Oh, whoever liked this video, thank you. Okay. Whoever it was, you know. So it's a beautiful day out here in New Orleans. Okay. For some of you people that is not familiar with New Orleans around here, look at this area, okay? All right, so all I'm saying is I'm having a wonderful time. Don't have time for no drama. I'm about to go by my friend Randy TV's house, okay? A little later, so whoever else is watching me, what's up? You know, Dominoes 7 is chilling, okay? Well, I'm about to do this again. I hope it don't make y'all blind. Look at the sun again, folks. Ain't this beautiful? Or the clouds is coming in. All right. I'm gonna give it like 10 seconds. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Yeah, I mean, for those who that was concerned when I was cursing about somebody and stuff like that, I'm okay, cause you know this woman, this driver that drive Jefferson Transit has a foul attitude, you know. I mean, so many people probably trying to get rid of her, you know. So we gonna see if we gonna get rid of this douchebag, you know. All right. She said she ain't do me nothing and all that. Oh yes, she did. I've been nothing but nice to her after all these years, you know. Okay. I understand she lost her. Come on in. I understand she lost her husband a couple of years ago, but that don't give her the right to treat people bad like that, you know. Let me tell you something. I lost my grandmother a long time ago, and I love my grandma, you know. And I can't believe she gone, but I'm not gonna treat people bad, you know. I ain't gonna do that, bro. You know, that's not my nature. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right. Okay. So, all right, I'm on my way out. Okay. So remember, be careful how you treat people. Oh, a couple of buses is coming. I showed y'all on my YouTube, but I'm gonna show y'all on my Facebook. Well, it's live Facebook. It's coming, y'all. It's two of them buses. Do y'all see it? I know y'all see it. Okay. Okay, here go. My uncle drive these kind of buses. He used to drive Jefferson Transit. Okay. Well, I don't know who that was, and I don't know who this is. You know. Oh, that was. I think that was my uncle right there, Elroy. I guess it was. Okay. But he didn't see me. If he would have saw me, he would have waved at me, you know. He was just keeping his eyes on the road. Yeah, that was him. All right. So let me just stop this tape and go do what I gotta do. Either I'll go to YouTube or stick on Facebook Live. Okay. Bye bye, y'all.